Hi dears, this is Cherry from WJPC. Thank you so much for choosing my company. Many clients have confusion about how to make design on the template. Now I will make a video and introduce how to make design on the template. Please check the white samples, printed samples, and template. Top outside this part, top inside, bottom outside, bottom inside. Let me check again. Top outside, top inside, bottom outside, bottom inside. Please keep your important design within the zip line and extend your design full to the braid area, this part. Here example, a design from my clients. All design extend to the braid area. Hope it clear. Thank you.